How to delete parental controls on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To delete parental controls on Android device, you need to make sure to launch Google Play Store on your device. Now make sure to log into your account. Head towards the profile at top right, and after that, from this menu, select Settings. From the setting page, choose Family and expand the section. Choose Parental Controls. And as you can see that parental controls are turned on. To delete it, you need to make sure to toggle the button off and enter your content pin. Now toggle the button off, and after that come back. And once you have done that, you need to head towards Settings option. Scroll down. Look for Apps and open it. Now open App Management, and using the search bar, type in Google Play Store. Open the App Info section of Google Play Store, and then you need to access storage uses and tap Clear Cache. Once done, you will remove or delete parental controls on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.